Welcome to your channel Myra Pro, hope you enjoyed with this video. So, the Samsung Galaxy X foldable phone has leaked again, this time revealing the dual battery system that should help keep all that screen space powered up for all-day use and beyond. The battery news comes via Let's Go Digital, which has quoted a Korean research agency as one source and found a patent to support the source's claims. This, it says, has revealed the Samsung Galaxy X will have two batteries, one in each section of the folding phone, so why should we care? Folding phone screens could mean all sorts of useful new features like better multitasking, fold-out tablet-style video and more, but it's battery life we want, so by adding in more batteries, thanks to that extra space, we could also be in for a better battery life than simply one day. Of course, all the power running the Galaxy X, and that huge screen, will likely chew through the batteries, so if the dual batteries actually end up adding life remains to be seen. Another feature here is Smart Power, where the patent describes the phone's ability to use the battery with the most power when needed, in reverse to that it will charge the lower powered one first, which will take charge faster, meaning quicker top UPS for fast charging. This should apply to both wired and wireless charging. The total combined battery powered is rumored to sit at the 6000 mAh mark. This makes that official launch, expected at MWC in February, all the more exciting. Please help me by sharing this video, and your click on the like button means a lot to me, and don't forget to subscribe on the channel and to click on the bell, to be notified with the latest uploaded video. Thanks a lot for your time.